How to use multiple coupons on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now first up you have to make a purchase. So go ahead and select any of the item that you want to purchase. Select it, then select the details of the item, color and the size. Once you are done, head towards the cart section. Click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're on this page, you're gonna find the list of the items that you have added to the cart for the purchase. Now click on checkout. With that, you will be directed to order confirmation page. First up, provide your shipping address. Then select your shipping method. Scrolling down, select your payment method. Then you'll find the section of apply coupon. Click on that. Now from here you can easily use coupon for your SHEIN. Also, you will find a list of the coupon codes that can be used. You just have to click on the coupon that you want to use. With that, the coupon will be applied for this purchase. Or what you can do is, at the very top, you'll see the option of apply coupon. Here you will need to type in your coupon code and then click on apply. With that, the coupon codes will be applied to your purchase. Likewise, head back, navigate to the option gift card. You can also use the gift card for the purchase. Gift card number and then PIN and click on apply. Next up, you can use the amount from the wallet as well. Click on the option of wallet. Now over here, you will find the available balance in your wallet. You can use that as well. Lastly, if you do have points, you can use that as well for the purchase. Once you are done, you can click on place order and confirm your order on SHEIN. So this way you can easily use multiple coupons on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.